Welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we are doing my second Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. So today is the extra large bag. It came today. I haven't opened it yet. The box is the exact same size as the first box that I had, but this one is heavier. So what I forgot to mention yesterday, which I assume if you are watching these videos, it's because you already know what a Beautylish Lucky Bag is and you just want to see what I got. But in case you are brand new to Beautylish Lucky Bags, the Beautylish Lucky Bags come in two different sizes. There's a regular, which is $75 plus tax and shipping. And then there's the extra large bag, which is $150 plus tax and shipping. And you are supposed to get at least double what you paid for the box worth of products. And some people will get extra lucky and get quite a lot of products. So yesterday's box, my regular box, was just over the double amount. I think the double amount would have been $150, but by the time you add in tax and shipping, it was pretty much right at double. So I didn't get that much product extra. So today is the extra large unboxing. So let's see what I got. All right, so when you open it, you have the exact same packaging, which they do give you a little tag that tells you kind of what the Lucky Bag is. So the Lucky Bag is a Japanese New Year tradition or custom that inspired Beautylish to create their own. The Japanese character on this year's bag means dawn or daybreak, and it symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. So I think that that's really cool because they're acknowledging that 2020 sucked and we're hopeful for a new year. So let's see what I got. All right, so did I get the same thing? I did not. I got the same brand. I got a Holy Frog. This is the Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. So this I got yesterday. I got something by the same brand, but it was a different product. So same with yesterday. I will put the prices up here with how much the items retail for on the website. So I am very curious to see if I got repeats of anything or repeats of stuff that I already own. All right, so this is the bag, and I can already see that there's a few things in here that I'm excited about. All right, so right off the bat, I can see Tom Ford. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I love Tom Ford. I am obsessed with Tom Ford. And if you're not new to my channel, then you already know I love Tom Ford. And specifically, I love Tom Ford iQuads. So it looks like I got one of those. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I'm really excited right now. I'm like a little kid on Christmas morning. All right, so I got a Tom Ford iQuad, and the shade that I got is Visionaire, which I do not have. Oh, I'm really excited. Really excited. Now, I already know, because I love Tom Ford quads, that these retail for $88. And I have, like, I don't know, 6 or 7 or more, and this is not one of the shades that I own. So these are the shades. Now I will say that this is not my favorite formula of Tom Ford. His wet dry formula is by far my favorite, and by far my favorite eyeshadow formula of all time. Across the board, any brand, Tom Ford wet dry is the absolute best. However, I do like this formula. It's just not my favorite. So this quad came out, I want to say like fall of 2020. There were two quads that came out at the time, and this was one of them. So I am really excited. So I will definitely be playing with this. I am definitely happy with this. The other thing that I got is an ABH Aurora Glow Kit. So that is what that is. I'm not exactly sure if these are They look a little big to be eyeshadows, but I wouldn't wear purple on my eyes. So, metallic powder highlights for intense luminosity. Complementing shades can be layered together to brighten cheekbones or worn separately over eyelids, brow bones, and inner corners of eyes. So, this is something that I don't have and have never, I mean, I've obviously heard of the brand, but I haven't heard of this palette. So that is exciting. Something that I don't have. All right, I got another Sonia G brush. This is so funny. I got this smooth buffer. And this is like a $70 brush, I think. And I have two of them right here in front of my face. I use this brush almost daily. I do. I use it daily. So, and I love it so much. I asked for it for Christmas, and so I got it for Christmas for my husband, and now I got another one. I don't know. You can't have too many brushes as far as I'm concerned, so I'm happy. Wayne Goss, the Essential Lip Pencil. I'm very excited because I don't have any of his lip products. And let's see what shade this is. Natural Berry. That might be something I could wear. Oh yeah, this looks like a perfect pinky nude shade. Oh yeah. I will say I had to like really scratch to get it to show up. It's not like a smooth consistency that I'm used to, like the Chanel has or something. But we'll try it. We'll see. I like Wayne Goss, so that'll be good. This is what I was really excited about and got me all giddy. This is the Givenchy Prism Libre. This is their loose powder. And I have thought about picking this up multiple times. Like during the Sephora sales. And I just never have because I have so much powder. But I am really excited. So it comes in like 4 different quadrants. And so you've got, you're supposed to be able to mix them together, and it's supposed to really help like coloring of your skin because of all the different colors here. Let's see if it says. This is, the shade is, it's the shade 1. I don't know, but I am really excited to try this. I have never tried Givenchy's powder, and I've heard such good things about it. And like I said, I have thought about getting this so many times. So to actually get this is really exciting. So yay. Next up is the the Oribe Gold Lust All Over Oil Hair, Body, and Face. And now I have seen other people in the unboxing videos get this. So I know that people have been getting this. I have never tried this. I don't know if I would use it on my face though, to be honest with you. But it has like a little dopper. Let's just see what it feels like on my hand. And I don't even know if I would use this on my body, to be honest. It does smell very good though, but I guess it blended down pretty good right into the skin. But it does still kind of feel oily, so I'm not sure that I would, I don't know if I'll use this on my hair or I don't know. I'm used to a dry oil, like for your body, and this is not a dry oil. So I'm gonna have to play with this and kind of read up on it. But I do really enjoy the Oribe brand and their products. I've got some of their shampoos and stuff, so I am excited. I got the R&Co R&Co Dry Shampoo Mist. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know that I would use this. I don't use a lot of dry shampoo. I have very thin hair, and I have to wash it every day. I just do. All right, so this is a product that I got in the other box. This is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. And so now I have 2 of them. I probably don't need 2, so I will probably give one of these away. And then last is the Kitsch's Face Roller, Crystal Face Roller. It's a jade roller, and I already have 2 like face rollers from Retrove, and I probably would not use this. So this will probably be in a giveaway or let someone else have it because I don't need more than 1. But it says that it is roll over stressed facial muscles for increased blood circulation. So you use this after you apply your serum or your moisturizer. I guess it was upside down. Sorry. I think this is nice. I've heard people can put them, you know, you put them in your beauty fridge and keep it chilled. But like I said, I already have one and I don't even use the one I have. Or I think I have 2. I have 2 from Retrove that I got like in gift sets. So I have those that I don't even use. So I can't see myself using a 3rd on my skin. But I hear good things about it. So overall, you guys, I am really, really impressed. I am very excited for my Tom Ford quad. That is super exciting. And then, like I said, I got the powder, which I think is really nice. I'm very excited to try it. I got a new brush and like an expensive brush. This isn't a $20, $30 face brush. This is a $70. I just dropped it. This is a $70 buffing brush that, you know, is great. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, and I got Wayne Goss and Orby. I mean, I'm really excited. So I think that's a success. I will definitely leave up in the little air here how much this box is worth and if I was able to double my money and see if this was worth it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I love to talk about luxury makeup, luxury beauty, luxury skincare, all things luxury here. Yeah, that's what my channel is about. So I encourage you to subscribe if that's something that you enjoy. I'm also over on Instagram, and I will leave my Instagram information down below. I would love if you would follow me over there and we can chit chat. I'm definitely on Instagram more often than I am YouTube. It's just easier to post videos and quick little get ready with me's and stuff like that. So, but again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to hear what you got in your lucky bag, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.